Let's make a hot dish from America's Favorite Recipes from Better Homes and Gardens from 1966. Let's make For the Crowd casserole. Grandma says it's good. The recipe calls for 1.5 pounds of ground beef, but I have 1 pound of ground beef, 1 cup chopped onion, 1 12-ounce can of corn, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, 1 cup sour cream, 1/4 cup of canned pimento, but I cannot find canned pimento where I live, so this is roast red pepper, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon of MSG, but I have a family member who does not like MSG, so I will be leaving that out. You can add that in if you like. 1/4 teaspoon pepper, ground black pepper, 3 cups medium noodles. I'm going to use egg noodles. I think that's what they're meaning to say there. And 1 cup of buttered soft breadcrumbs. I don't have white bread to make breadcrumbs, so I'm going to use panko. That's what I keep in my pantry. Pan's a little dry, so I'm going to add a little olive oil. It's not in the ingredient list, but my pan is dry. To do 1 can of cream of chicken, 1 can of cream of mushroom, 1 cup of sour cream. This is 8 ounces, which is a cup. Give that a stir. 1 can of corn. My roasted red pepper, 1/4 cup. Three-quarter teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper, ground black pepper. All right, to add the ground beef and the onions.
Smells good.
This is a pretty rich hot dish, probably meant for a potluck. I'm going to pour this into a 2-quart casserole. So I'm going to improvise the breadcrumbs since I don't have the exact thing that the recipe called for. I have a cup of panko dry breadcrumbs and 2 tablespoons melted butter. Sprinkle on top. It's pretty good. All right. Now we go into a preheated 350-degree oven for 30 minutes.